Today, we're going to see the process of constructing a CNC machining center. Let's start. In automated machining centers, it is possible to process metals, wooden or wood-based furniture boards, composite boards, foams, glass, cardboard and foundry materials. With their use, such operations such as milling, cutting or drilling are performed, and thus work for producers operating in many industries is improved. Let's have a look at the production process of automated machining centers. In order to do so, we visited the company of SERON, the Polish producer from Stalowa Wola. All new solutions are first tested in the Research and Development Department. Once the solution functionality has been verified, the production process can start. First, we're going to have a look at the production process of machine individual components. The machine bed is the device basis and foundation. It is made of profiles with their interior rigged with steel and composite elements aimed at stiffening the construction. The structure is joined by welding. While welding, local stresses are formed which must be eliminated. Elements such as a gate or gate supports enter the furnace. At a temperature of 600 degrees Celsius, stresses are distributed throughout the entire structure of the material. Once the process has been finished, the structure is shot blasted. Then, the vertical and horizontal planes, as well as the base elements, are processed using a bridge milling machine. Drive elements will move on them, thus precision is of extreme importance. Vertical surfaces are also processed with a boring machine. Here we can see how gate supports are being processed. In the machining center, parts, mainly driving components, for example, driving mounting plates, gears or X-axis, are prepared. Flat components are produced with the use of a laser cutter. Some of them are then bent. Then, structural elements such as housings enter the paint shop, where color coats and anti-corrosion protection are applied. Now we are visiting the electrical department. The control cabinet is responsible for powering and controlling the device. Its central element is the real-time control system, which is responsible for smoothness and precision of movements, as well as their control and correction. New standard software and functionalities of devices are still being developed. Manufactured components, as well as components ordered from external suppliers, enter the assembly department. A rack and pinion drive and a trapezoidal rail are installed in the machine bed, which linear bearings maintaining the feed accuracy will operate on. The composite table, which can also be made of aluminium or steel, is placed on the bed. Holes in which vacuum sections will be placed are threaded. There are also grooves in which seals separating the suction zone will be placed. The assembly department prepares also other devices, including laser cutters. Finally, it is time for performing tests, during which geometry and straightness are checked with the use of specialized measuring equipment. All machine errors are verified. The device is calibrated based on the test result. The factory of SERON in Stalowa Wola produces over 100 CNC machining centers per year, which are mainly sold on the Polish and European markets.